Let's learn irregular verbs. It's easy and fun with us.
Drive, drove, driven,
Ride, rode, ridden. Write, wrote, written. Break, broke, broken.
speak, spoke, spoken,
Steal, stole, stolen.
choose, chose, chosen,
Freeze, froze, frozen.
wake, woke, woken,
Take, took, taken.
shake, shook, shaken,
Give, gave, given.
see, saw, seen,
Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Let's make it perfect. Let's go. One more time.
drive, drove, driven, ride, rode, ridden, write, wrote, written, break, broke, broken, speak, spoke, spoken, steal, stole, stolen, choose, chose, chosen, freeze, froze, frozen,
Wake, woke, woken. Take, took, taken. Shake, shook, shaken. Give, gave, given. See, saw, seen. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Let's hear a funny story. Keep an ear out for the irregular verbs you already recognize.
Bob had always wanted to be cool. That day, he drove his old van as fast as he could.
He had never driven that fast before. He was late for his restaurant opening. When he arrived, he saw his waiter riding a bicycle through the dining room. "You've already ridden 3 laps," Bob shouted. "Get to work," he added. Bob quickly wrote the menu on the chalkboard. As soon as he had written everything, the first guest walked in. Bob broke a table leg by accident. Sorry, it was already broken. He spoke with a fake French accent. After he spoke, the guest asked, "What did you say?" "Someone has stolen my knife," Bob shouted in panic. He chose the spiciest pepper for the sauce. Then he realized the freezer had broken. Everything had frozen solid. His assistant had been sleeping in the corner. Suddenly, he woke up. "Nice of you to wake up," Bob snapped. Bob took a pot of soup to the stove. He shook it so hard it looked like it had been through a blender. He gave the guest a plate. Bob had never seen someone so scared. The guest ate 1 spoonful, then fell off his chair. He had fallen unconscious from delight. Bob realized he had forgotten the salt. Too late. Bob is as cheerful as ever, and it's interesting to learn with him. What do you think? Has Bob earned a cup of coffee after such a crazy day? Or is it time for him to go on vacation? Let me know in the comments. Don't let these verbs escape. Check out the full story to make sure you've learned everything from Bob's Kitchen Chaos. And now, the most important part of the lesson, using these verbs in sentences. Drive, drove, driven. Present simple, general regular action.
I drive to work every day. Future simple. A plan, intention. I will drive you to the station tomorrow. Past simple. A completed action in the past. He drove to the supermarket an hour ago. Present perfect. Experience up to now. I have never driven a truck. Ride, rode, ridden. Present simple. General or regular action. They ride their bikes in the park. Future simple. A plan or intention. We will ride horses on Sunday. Past simple. A completed action in the past. I rode a motorcycle when I was young. Present perfect. Experience up to now. Have you ever ridden a camel? Write, wrote, written. Present simple. General or regular action. I write emails every morning. Future simple. A plan or intention. She will write a shopping list later. Past simple. A completed action in the past. He wrote a letter to his grandma yesterday. Present perfect. Result. Completed now. I have already written the report. Break, broke, broken. Present simple. General regular action. Be careful. You often break glasses. Future simple. Prediction result. If you drop it, it will break. Past simple. A completed action in the past. I broke my favorite mug this morning. Present perfect. Result visible now. Oh no, someone has broken the window. Speak, spoke, spoken. Present simple. General ability, action. Do you speak English? Future simple. A plan, intention. I will speak to my boss about the holiday. Past simple. A completed action in the past. We spoke on the phone for 2 hours. Present perfect. Result. Completed now. She has spoken to the doctor already. Steal. Stole. Stolen. Present simple. General regular action. In movies, villains always steal money. Future simple. Prediction, promise. He is a good man. He will never steal. Past simple. A completed action in the past. Somebody stole my bag in the subway. Present perfect. Result. Relevant now. My bike has been stolen. Choose. Chose. Chosen. Present simple. General or regular action. I always choose healthy food for lunch. Future simple. A plan. Intention. We will choose a new sofa next week. Past simple. A completed action in the past. She chose a beautiful dress for the party. Present perfect. Result. Completed now. I have chosen a present for you. Freeze. Froze. Frozen. Present simple. General fact. Water freezes at 0 degrees. Future simple. Prediction or result. Put the juice in the freezer. It will freeze fast. Past simple. A completed action in the past. The lake froze last night. Present perfect. Result. Visible now. My fingers have frozen in this cold. Wake. Woke. Woken. Present simple. General, regular action. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Future simple. A plan, intention. I will wake you up tomorrow. Past simple. A completed action in the past. He woke up late because it was Sunday. Present perfect. Result. Just happened. The baby has just woken up. Take, took, taken. Present simple. General or regular action. I take my umbrella when it rains. Future simple. A request or offer. Will you take me with you? Past simple, a completed action in the past. She took the keys and left. Present perfect, result, relevant now. Has anyone taken my pen?
Shake, shook, shaken. Present simple, instruction, general action. Shake the bottle before opening. Future simple, prediction, result. The house will shake when the train passes. Past simple, a completed action in the past. We shook hands when we met. Present perfect, result, completed now. I have shaken the rug outside. Give, gave, given. Present simple, a request or general action. Please give me a glass of water. Future simple, a promise or intention. I will give you the book tomorrow. Past simple, a completed action in the past. My friend gave me a nice gift. Present perfect, result, completed now. I have given the cat some food. See, saw, seen. Present simple, general perception. I see a big tree from my window. Future simple, future meeting. I will see you soon. Past simple, a completed action in the past. We saw a great movie yesterday. Present perfect, result, relevant now. Have you seen my glasses? Eat, ate, eaten. Present simple, general regular action. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Future simple, a plan, intention. We will eat pizza tonight. Past simple, a completed action in the past. I ate too much at the party. Present perfect, result, completed now. He has already eaten his lunch. Fall, fell, fallen. Present simple, general fact, regular action. Leaves fall in autumn. Future simple, prediction, warning. Be careful, you will fall. Past simple, a completed action in the past. He fell down on the ice. Present perfect, change up to now. The prices have fallen recently. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Present simple, general regular action. I always forget names. Future simple, a promise, intention. I won't forget your birthday. Past simple, a completed action in the past. I forgot to lock the door. Present perfect, result, relevant now. She has forgotten her phone at home. That's all for today. Bob and I have done a great deal of work, but now it's your turn. Here is a tricky task for you. Pick any one verb from the list above and write a sentence about your day using that verb. For example, I ate a delicious pizza for lunch. Post your sentences in the comments. I'll be sure to check them and like the most accurate ones. Let's see how many of us are brave enough to face irregular verbs.